Tesla, Skype, Hotmail, Coinbase. What do these revolutionary companies have in common? Billionaire venture capitalist Tim Draper, who invests in big ideas before they become the next big thing. Now he's traveling the globe to find game-changing startups. Entrepreneurs from 10 countries and 6 continents will share their ideas for changing the world.
There's some entrepreneurs everywhere, and they all have a different approach, and those cultures bring more creativity.
Then 12 finalists will fly to Silicon Valley to compete for a once-in-a-lifetime chance to launch their company on a global scale.
100,000 units?
But only one can walk away with the grand prize. $1 million.
It's go time.
This is a true entrepreneur here.
Meet groundbreaking technology.
We've built Denmark's first flying car.
Meet rejection.
I've seen 15 of these. How are you going to be better?
Meet innovation.
The blockchain is built for trust.
The sky's the limit.
Meet the Drapers.
We've got the semi-finalists here. We have scoured the entire world.
Taiwan,
Kenya, Canada,
India, Denmark,
Germany,
Hong Kong, Egypt,
Saudi Arabia,
Sri Lanka, Brazil.
For these 13 entrepreneurs,
Everything in my life brought me here.
I'm sure that we are going to win. Welcome to the big leagues.
It'll be grueling. It'll be rough, horrible, scary. It'll be fun.
We're going to give it everything we got.
they've been vetted from all over the world, from thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs. The winner is, get it!
Talk it down!
Spectra, Phi, AI, Seal Pay, Airflight, BB.
Inshallah, we will win the final.
We are down to these 13, and we're going to be moving 3 to the finale.
We should be backing all these guys.
Welcome back, everybody, to Meet the Drapers. We are so excited. We've got the semifinalists here. We have scoured the entire world, all over the world, for these 13 entrepreneurs, and you get to see them. But before we bring them on, I'd like to introduce our judges. And our judges are not guest judges, they are actual drapers. All 3 of these judges are actual drapers. As you know, we've adopted many drapers. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Draper, Cardinal Turkson Draper, Joe Montana Draper, and now these are the original drapers. On my right, we have the original, the OG, Bill Draper. He has done amazing things. He was a pioneer of venture capital. He ran UNDP. He ran the Export-Import Bank of the US, and he was the first venture investor going into India.
And first investor in Skype.
That's our ongoing discussion. Dad, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. I'm delighted to be here.
And on my left, troublemaker, Adam Draper. Adam runs Boost VC, the venture firm. He's got the biggest deep tech accelerator in the world. Adam, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me back. I've been on a few of these episodes, and I'm glad I got invited back.
It took us a while.
So thank you.
And on my far left, but actually in deep space, we have Polly Draper, the actress, director, producer, writer. Polly, welcome back to the show.
Thank you. I was going to be there in person, but I unfortunately had COVID.
Oh, that.
But I wouldn't miss this, so I got out of my COVID bed to meet all these incredible entrepreneurs.
Totally worth it.
Totally.
What are you guys going to be looking for in these entrepreneurs? I mean, these are 13 vetted from all over the world, from thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs. We are down to these 13, and we're going to be moving 3 to the finale.
When I look at entrepreneurs, I'm always looking for enthusiasm and energy. I'm just
going
to be looking for good opportunities and a great personality.
Excellent. Polly, what are you going to be looking for this time?
I always like to look for the entrepreneur that feels like they're going to be helping the world the most. And I know that they may not necessarily be the one that's making the most money, so that might be defeating the entire purpose of this, but I think that is my goal.
Well, those things usually go hand in hand, so you're in luck.
I think they do.
They usually do. They make money if they do really great stuff. Dad, what are you going to be looking for this time?
Energy, which you mentioned, and can I imagine working for this person? Is it a crazy idea or is it manageable?
You've clearly had an impact on me and a big impact on Adam, because Adam wrote the book Breakfast with Pops. And you can get How to Be a Startup Hero, the book I wrote. And Dad wrote the first of these books, and it's called The Startup Game. Hey, so we turned this into an advertisement.
Are we finished?
Okay, that's pretty much all we need to do, except for there are 13 entrepreneurs that we would like to see. But before we do, let's see what's going on behind the scenes.
केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं. This is our first time to Silicon Valley. We are really excited. After landing here, seeing the autonomous cars, the culture, the people, the vibrancy is terrific. We are here to explore the ecosystem and how we can bring in value.
We want to win this show and want to go back to India with a lot of our friends, family who are waiting to us to succeed.
Winning this competition means very strong validation of our vision. Definitely our families will be proud. We are putting a lot of hard work, and if we are here, we are not able to give time to our families.
It's a booster recharge to the entire team to get back to work and get to the next level of things.
Either we learn or we win. We never fail. So that's our mentality. We are really excited to meet the complete generation of Draper's family.
So our next entrepreneurs are from India, Bonvi Aero. Satya and Gaurav, give us your pitch.
Meeting Polly Draper, his son Adam, and then the Mr. Bill. They have seen tremendous startups. If they can guide us, also mentor us, it will be very valuable for us. At Bonvi, we aim to democratize aerial mobility to the masses. We are developing heavy lift electric aerial vehicles for goods and people mobility. We are the only company in India to clear a technical trial of procurement of 163 logistic drones by Indian Army. The order amounts to $20 million. And we have received 50% advance for our previous 3 units of order amounting to 600K and Slater.
Wait, what was that 600K thing?
600K for our 3 units of logistic aerial vehicles for 50 kg platform.
But you said 20 million was the order and you got half of it.
For the 20 million order, we cleared a technical trial last month.
I see. Yeah. So it's still out there.
It's still out there.
You just haven't gotten there yet.
To clear a technical trial.
And the 600K is an order you got.
Yeah. Yes.
And it's for 3 machines. What do those machines cost you to make?
Less than $100K.
So we have approximately a healthy margin of 40%. We have a unique capability of 50 kg class demonstrated at altitude height of 14,000 feet.
50 kilograms can be picked up.
Can be picked up.
Have you been flown in one of these? You have tested it.
Yes, we have demonstrated.
You guys were hanging on the thing?
No. We are hanging the goods.
I meant you. Did one of you hold on to it while it flew?
Now you're saying, you said goods and people.
Our vision is, long-term vision is...
Oh, long-term vision is people.
Yeah.
Right now, it would be
right now we're just
dead
goods.
body less than 50 kilograms.
50 kilograms.
Who have you gotten the first money from?
The Defense Public Sector Unit.
The Indian Army?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What did they get in return for it?
The drones, 3 drones.
Are there other competitors going after that $20 million order?
Yes, there were 5 of them, and we are the lone company who has qualified this
technical trial.
And the thing you can do, nobody else can do, is to lift to 14,000 feet?
In terms of the performance,
yes. Because at 14,000 feet, and it has to go, drop the payload, pick up the another, and come back in the self-flying mode, which this is the proprietary technology that we have is self-flying.
Software
is, and it's all electric, right?
Yes.
So
electric. What's the range?
The range is 20 kilometers right
20
now.
kilometers.
What has it been used specifically for? Dropping food and supplies to troubled, war-torn countries that are hard to reach, or
rations, ammunition, green vegetables, the army store supplies.
Is the Indian government investing heavily in this general sector of defense?
Yes.
India just had a huge success. They landed on the moon.
Yeah.
But is that turning up are you getting more excitement?
India is a very growing market, one of the fastest growing economy. And also government is very heavily pushing the drone industry and the aircraft industry in India.
space sector is democratized, now drone sector they are democratizing.
India,
Huge push,
Huge push. India wants to become a drone
hub of the world.
Now, can you sell these to the United States?
Yes,
Definitely.
Can
but
you sell them to Pakistan?
So we need
no.
to
There's-
be NATO compliant
think,
for
yeah.
this. We
NATO
can. We have
compliant.
yeah.
You know, the guys who were on before you already have a 250 kg drone. How would you be able to compete with them?
That is not a competition for us right now. We have a very different use case.
The next platform for the 250 kg that we're developing is for aero ambulance. The technology that we are bringing is at the higher altitudes. The requirement, these are there for 50 kg class of drones, even at 200 kgs also, which 250 kgs are at the 13,000 and above to 16, 19,000. Our active trial is going on for a 19 such drones in the Siachen Glacier.
Altitude and weight. are
Yes,
things
the
that
performance
matter.
decreases
How
by
about
50-60% of the propulsion system. We have flown in the Bay Area versus in the higher altitude. There's 50-60% difference in the performances. And we have a terrain follow which is embedded with a machine learning model.
Who's the CEO?
I'm the CEO.
And what's your title?
I'm co-CEO, leading the AI.
Co-CEO?
Yeah.
Oh, that's trouble. What if you disagree?
He takes the.
I take the call.
You win in a
He
disagreement.
takes the call. There is a very strong corporate governance.
How do you know each other?
From the college days, last 15 years of working relationship, we were together in college where we built a satellite and launched with ISRO.
And when you disagreed, did he made the call?
Yeah,
And
definitely.
you're okay with that?
Yeah. We were not able to cover is the team part very good. Although we have some slides or we have some part of the presentation mentioning about the strength of our team, that I think we were not able to cover.
The two of you are a very small team for what you're trying to do. I think you're going to have to add a lot of people.
25 people working with us.
Oh,
We're
really?
expanding to
Yeah.
100 people.
Are they in India or are they?
India.
Then
We are
India.
based out in India.
Sri
and
Sri University is where we are based out.
We
All right,
definitely
thank you.
Just
Thanks
wanted to
for
say,
being on the
definitely,
show.
if you are coming to India, welcome you to our facility.
Thank
Please
you.
do come.
you.
Thank you.
We were very satisfied that we have given our best, and rest is to the best wisdom of judges. We are very confident about it and we were very satisfied, and we are already started focusing on what next we need to do.